You need to think of some stunts. But like I said, this is a really cool car. And it's very unique. That's for sure. There's a stunt because for as low as this car, it's gonna go up this small little mountain. Boom! That was really cool. Lovely. It really reminds me of a snake person. Like a really high-tech snake that escapes everyone. So because I noticed you can actually turn a different way, not just like this. You can actually, if you want to change directions, because it's hard to like change which way you want, so you actually can actually change it up and it's actually going to pick the direction you want to go.
Wow, force of the hand.
The force of the hand. You can control this with your hands.
Okay, sweetie fella now is going to be controlling the car with his hands. Make it go forward. Make it go back. Make him turn. Wow. Keep going with him. Wow, that's super cool. You've never had a car like that.
This is a really cool car. It can be like a snake or like a spider. It's really cool. It has way different unique drives than other cars. You should get this car, especially if you like more unique cars. See ya.